In this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can become a seller on AliExpress. Now keep in mind, to become a seller, you need to have a registered company as well as a registered bank account for the company and all this sort of stuff. But if you have all that in check, what you wanna do is head over to sell.aliexpress.com. Inside of here, you can just scroll down a little bit and see the page, how it works. And when you're ready, you just want to click Join AliExpress. Inside of here, you want to fill in the registration information. So just fill in all of this, click register, and once you've provided all your details and stuff like this, they're gonna check through the registration. And if you get approved, you will now be able to sell on AliExpress. So this is basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.